Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about how the fossil record is a piece of evidence for the theory of evolution. To begin, a fossil is the preserved remains or impressions of an organism that has long passed. Two examples of this is the mineralized remains of a fish that died millions of years ago after it was buried in sediment, and in a insect that fell into tree sap which hardened to amber after it was left in the ground for millions of years. Now, scientists determine the age of these fossils through two methods, radiometric dating and relative dating. Radiometric dating is when scientists analyze the radioactive isotopes that are found in the fossil to determine its age, where relative dating is basically when the age of the fossil is determined by the age of the rock it was found in. Now, the fossil record is an important part of the theory of evolution because of the fact that the fossil record shows the slope transition of animals living in the sea to living on the land. An example would be backbone fish, then amphibians, then reptiles, then mammals, as an example. And now two key fossils to prove this are the transitional species of the Tiktaalik and Artie. Now, the Tiktaalik was a hybrid between tetrapods and fish. An example of this would be the tail it had at the back, with the gills and its fin-like limbs, which allowed it to swim in the water quite well. But it still had lungs and frontal limbs that allowed it to breathe and walk on land. Meanwhile, Artie was a primate that was shifting from climbing to bipedalism, since Artie's hips allowed her to walk, but not very well. And this is shown via her long pelvis, longer fingers for grasping, and her feet that helped her to climb better in trees.